Okay, this is what we have here today. This is a Dell laptop, no display, it's not display on the screen. A power on button, no display. Oh. Okay, remove the battery and then put back. You see, rambling. No display. Well, this could be certainly a motherboard problem or a processor problem, or sometimes it could be a RAM issue. But we'll begin our troubleshooting or diagnosing from our RAM the aspect of it to see if possibly the RAM could be the challenge of this error we have in here. No display on the screen. You can see the laptop is on, but no display on the screen, no image on the screen. All we just have to do now, we shut or power the laptop, shut it down or power off the laptop, then try to reset our RAM or change of RAM to see if it will possibly come on. But all we can see here, the laptop is not going off, and this we have to detach our battery, detach the system battery to force it shut down. Down. So this is it. Or can we just okay? Okay. This is the next stage we'll have to do. Let's detach our voltage current from the laptop to see if it will definitely come on. Okay. Power hold it for some second, probably 30 seconds or higher than that to see if it will definitely come up or it will actually come up. Right, for some second, maybe up to 30 seconds, and then we put in the battery back, then power it on again to see if it will come on. Power on or turn it on again, and then see if it will come on. So the laptop is on here, it's on here, but no boot image, no display on the screen, no display, no display, no display, no display. That we have to take another measure by opening the laptop and then reset our RAM to see if it will come on. Remember, as I earlier said, this problem or this fault could, be from number one, about problem or RAM issue or your processor. But first of all, we have to diagnose our RAM to see if actually it might be the cause. So if we look down here, we have where's our RAM, where's the RAM? Okay, this is a CMOS battery. It's a CMOS battery. And when you get down here, this is our RAM. This is the RAM. We have two slots here, and inside here we have one RAM. And could it be possible that our RAM here is bad and we need a change of replacement? No, but before we think of that, can we just like switch the RAM from this place to the next slot to see if the laptop can? It might come on, it might work. let's just do it that way again and see. It might work. If it work fine, it work fine, then that is okay. Let's close. I'm believing it to work, and certainly it's going to work. So let us close it. We have no doubt with that. I believe it work. That's just for I actually knew it is the fault, but for my viewers out there, I just wanted you to take some measures, some diagnostic measures to know, because certainly so many challenges could be involved when it gets to this problem we're facing here. So many things could be running, or could be a possible problem or challenge to this. So sometimes we diagnose to check what is actually wrong with the laptop. All right, let's do it. Oh my God! Can you see it on the screen? Did you see that? Oh, there's a display on the screen. Can you see that? There's a display on the screen. There's a display on the screen. Can you just see that? Here we have invalid configuration information. Please run setup program, time or date, or we strike F1 key to continue, F2 to make changes, and F5 to run a bundle. Now we just press our F1 key to continue to our boot able yes menu. It will take us now to our Windows, to the Windows proper. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? That's to say we have possibly fixed it. It's a ramp issue. It's a ramp issue. Yes, come on. It's a ramp issue. All right, viewers out there, sometimes this could be a possible challenge when it resolved to. This are Dell. This is Dell latitude 6530, 6530, 6530. This could be this a possible problem. This day that is all right, here's the laptop. Let's come on.